You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Honda CR-V. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, rear spoiler, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system. Feel confident and calm when you tackle life's daily adventures in this Honda CR-V. Come in and drive it home today.